Hello student, I am Ashraf. Today I will teach standard 10th geography subject. The topic of my teaching is climate of India. India's climate is tropical monsoon type, but its characteristics vary from place to place due to the vastness of the country and variety of relief features. There are regional variation in the climate of India. Climate of India. The interior of the country, especially in the north, has a continental type of climate. The coastal areas have a more equable climate. In mountainous areas, altitude determines the climate. There is a great variation is found in the amount of rainfall in India. The following examples will confirm the variety and diversity in the climate of India. First, in June, the highest temperature in Rajasthan that may go up to 55 degrees Celsius, whereas Dras and Kargil, the night temperature in January may go down to minus 45 degrees Celsius to minus 50 degrees Celsius. Mansinam near Cherrapunji in Meghalaya has annual rainfall of 1,187 cm, whereas in the Thar desert the annual rainfall is less than 15 cm. Along the Malabar coast, the annual range of temperature is about 3 degrees Celsius, whereas it is in 20 degrees Celsius in Hisar, Ambala and other parts of interior of the country. Kerala has tropical climate with warm and moist air, whereas Punjab has continental climate with severe heat and alternating with severe cold. Coromandel coast remains dry in month of July, August, whereas Ganga, Delta and coastal plain of Odisha are hit by strong storm almost every third or fifth day during this month. India's climate is affected by two seasonal winds. One is the northeast monsoon wind and second is the southwest monsoon wind. Southwest monsoon, known as summer monsoon, blows from sea to land after crossing the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Seas and the Bay of Bengal. Northeast monsoon, commonly known as winter monsoon, blows from land to the sea. Now I will discuss about factors that affect the climate of India. These are the factors. One is latitude, second one influence of the Himalayas, third altitude, distance from the sea, surface wind, western disturbances, tropical depression and jet stream. Now first I am going to tell you student detail about latitude. Is roughly 30 degree and the Tropic of Cancer passes halfway India, that is the middle of India. Most of the subcontinent lies in the tropical and subtropical zone. The temperature is generally high throughout the air in India. Second one, now I am going to explain about influence of the Himalayas. The airspace extension of the lofty Himalayas stand as a barrier against the cold wind from Central Asia. It also forces the monsoon wind to shed most of its continent moisture within the country. It also forces the monsoon wind to shed most of its moisture within the country. Similarly, Western Ghat force the rain-bearing wind from Arabian Sea to shed their moisture on the western slope. Now I am going to teach about altitude. What is altitude? Altitude that tells about as we go the higher altitude and on with the high of the mountain, temperature will drop. It means if we go 165 or 66 meters, 1 degree temperature will drop. Places located in the hills and mountains are cooler than the places in the plains. because of altitude. Now I am going to quote some example. Ooty in the Nilgiri is pleasant throughout the year, though it is relatively close to the equator because Ooty is located at higher altitude. Next, now I am going to discuss about distance from sea. Distance from sea, it means the places which is away from sea will experience or experiences a continental type of climate. It means winters are too hot and summers are too cold. Second, the places which are located near to sea in coastal areas, they experience a many type of climate. It means winters are not too cold and summers are not too hot. Temperature differences, maximum and minimum we find differences only 3 degrees Celsius in coastal areas. Next, now western disturbances. They originate from Mediterranean Sea. It enters India through Jammu and Kashmir, that is western part of India. It gives rainfall and brings rainfall in some state of India like Haryana, Punjab and western part of Uttar Pradesh. Next, now tropical depression. Tropical cyclone originating the head of the Bay of Bengal affect the whole of east coast of India during summer and retreating monsoon. They result heavy loss to life and property. It brings calamity in West Bengal. Next to last, jet stream. They are current called jet streams in the upper layer of the atmosphere are believed to determine the arrival and departure of the monsoon. It blows from 8 kilometers in the sky. Research is going on to study the extent to which monsoon may be affected by these air currents. These are the factors which I have discussed before you, which affect the climate of India. Now I am going to discuss about seasons. India is a country that has 4 seasons, and there are 4 seasons: winter season, summer season, monsoon season and rainy season. First, now I am going to discuss about summer season.